Can you make cinematic footage in a small office like this using only the Canon R50 kit lens? Today, I'm taking on the challenge. No expensive lenses, no fancy setups, just creativity in this room. Let's see if it's possible. This is my office, not the prettiest place, but that's the point. The challenge: use the Canon R50 with just the 18-45mm kit lens and see if I can create cinematic results without leaving this room. First, I'm using depth of field. Even though this lens only goes to f6.3, if I place my subject far from the background, like this cup of coffee on my desk, I can still get some nice separation. Next, I'm adding foreground elements. Using simple things around me, like my mic arm, papers, or the edge of the monitor, I can slide the camera behind them to create depth. Now for movement, instead of a gimbal, I'm just going handheld at low angles, sliding the camera across the floor or pushing in toward my chair. It instantly feels more dynamic. Lighting changes everything. I'm using the desk lamp and even the glow from my monitor to create mood. Shadows and contrast make the kit lens footage look cinematic. And finally, color grading. Straight out of the camera, it looks okay. But once you add contrast, LUT, and cinematic widescreen bars, it changes completely. Here's the final cinematic sequence, all shot in this small office with just Canon R50 kit lens. So can you make cinematic footage in a small office with just the kit lens? Absolutely. It's not about having a big studio or expensive gear. It's about creativity with what you have. If you enjoyed this challenge, let me know in the comments. Should I try this again in another everyday place? Don't forget to subscribe for more Canon R50 tips and creative challenges. Bye-bye.